Very good morning, friends. Nalnakshi Swami here, coming up with the Nifty levels for today's trade based on the India VIX. The higher level to be today's higher level 22,663 and lower boundary to be 22,331. Weekly low to be 22,058 and weekly high to be 22,936. These are the levels based on the India VIX. For today's level, these are the boundaries. So coming to the analysis, if I zoom it out, the market consolidated, it came down and the bulls took control of the market from the beginning of the day. From the first 5 minutes itself, I made that video for the first 5 minute low and first 5 minute high. The bulls have taken control. That low was never tested actually. The market continued slowly from here. The swing where it started its down move is here. The swing, that is 22,000, from 22,618, it had fallen down. Now, if I take the fib tool and see the retracement, retracement is 0.618 and 0.718 is placed around 561, 22,557 to, you can name it like that, 22,561. Okay. So I am applying this just to mark the 0.78 level that corresponds to this counter, this. So market can, today, the supports you need to see, it can take support around this area. Suppose if it takes around 410, this is the intraday block. From that, it has taken support. Here, the range was here. And it has moved here. When range has moved here, and if you, that is the measured move, and another measured move is here. Exactly, it comes to 22,574. We need to see what the market will do, whether it will get resistance around this area or whether it will try to move past this area. That is the most important thing. If it faces resistance over here, it can turn around to the downside. Otherwise, it can, if it starts expanding above this area, it can reach the level of 22,663. See, everybody is asking me why you are drawing circles. Circle, it is time cycle, that's it. The time moves with circle, and it is the even, that's why we are calculating the angles and all. It doesn't move in a straight line, and angles are seen. That is, this is 180 degree. That means the price is above, in this time cycle, the price is above the 180 degree. We can, initial levels, we can, suppose if it starts breaking below 22,462, the time cycle, and it will turn around and it can, price can move to the next lower level. That's how it is. Nothing, big thing over here. I've put circles, and sometimes I will put 3 levels of rise. For 3 levels of rise, actually market will undergo through. If you have, if you are familiar with the Elliott wave, they talk about 3 waves. Let me show it to you. So you should not have confusion. These are the waves, 3 waves they talk about. After 3, 1 and 2. 3 plus 2 is the one set of Elliott wave. That means the market goes through 3 sets of rise and 2 sets of impulse down. Impulse move up 3 sets, and impulse down 2 sets. That is the basic principle. Even in the market, everywhere, 3 levels of rise will be seen. If you see here from this level, that is measured move. That is nothing but squaring the range. Measured move. If you clone this one level, and market has not finished 3 levels. Before finishing the 3 levels, it has come down. It may be an intraday down move. So 3 levels of move is from the bottom, actually. It has completed. So now, I'm not going into the detail of that. So now for today, the boundary is here 22,663 to 22,300. So the vibration of the angle, this is 50 degree, 45 degree. If I draw this, let me coordinates adjust 45, and let me draw 45 degree this level. So the range is like this. Market moves like this. If it starts circling, that means if the 180 degree has to move to the upside, then price, it means that automatically price will start moving higher. So when here we need to see the levels have to move from one level to the other level, then the market will cycle to the next level. So here the range, you can see it extends to 22,936, but it needs time. It doesn't happen at a time. The time price to move to that level, it needs time. Now at present, you concentrate on these levels, 2 levels, 22,663 and 22,331 as the boundary, and you can imagine the price moving in this range. It may find, if it starts resisting around this, it may turn around and the time cycle may turn to the negative side. It is a range, actually. Market is moving in a range. Suppose if it starts falling below, it comes down to this level, 21. Okay. Okay, friends. Let us go to the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty also the same thing. The first resistance is 48,215. It has broken below this low. Actually, it is consolidating probably around this level. Around this level, 47,526. The market may change its cycle, and the market may try to move higher, because this is the, if I take this is 30 degree angle. That is half of it, for half of 45 comes to 25, 22 and a half. So probably around this area, suppose if it takes support and if it starts moving here, the market can move around here. So you need to watch carefully this level first support. Around in this area, market may find support and it may start turning around. So keep watching these levels. The market of first resistance is 48,215 and 47,511. See, yesterday after the gap down, I'll zoom it out. After the gap down, the market went through a compression. This is a compression, actually. The whole thing is a compression. So you better, in this situation, people should not trade, because there is no, actually you need to guess the high of the range and low of the range, then you can trade. And the range was around only 224 points, which is a very less range for the Bank Nifty, because Bank Nifty's values are around 48,000, which is the double the Nifty's levels. right? Nifty moves around 227 to 270 points, 180R. With the 180R, probably the Nifty, Bank Nifty may be 47, 400, 470 to 500 points is the 180R maybe. So when there is this is a narrow range compression, so there may be expansion to the downside. It may continue. If I take this, whether it is a ABCD pattern, let us check. It is that if it is a measured move, 100. Let me measure this move. That is 858 points. Suppose if we measure this move, it comes around 47,000. Measured move comes around 47,183. That is 849 points from here. So the market may piece it together and it may move into 2 days also, or single day move it can exhibit. 500 is the 500, around 500 is 180R. This is the most extreme move if it goes like that. So probably 400 points you can see from here. The 400 points is placed around 400 to 500 points is placed around here. Suppose if you take, it comes to 300 points, 500. So like that you can have so you have to apply logic and you have to trade. This is a counter, consolidation counter. Anything little bit spike above will be selling opportunity. It might not have finished its completion of correction completion. It may extend to this level. Previously also in my video, I had explained that it can continue downwards downwards to the next level. So let me take you to the weekly chart and let us check where is the position of the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, this is the June 4th level and it is approaching that level. Most probably it can come down to this 46,904 in the coming days. The correction has not completed. This is the swing low for the Bank Nifty from where it has moved to the higher point. From there, there was a consolidation. You can see 3 cycles over here. If I put the 3 circles from this range to that range, you can clearly 3 circles over here. The next circle, after completing 3 circles, it is coming down. The 1 and 2 it has made. This is an ABCD. It looks like an ABCD pattern. Probably market might not have, for the Bank Nifty, the market might not have. It can even extend to 44,720 in the coming days. Probably it might not have completed. It may be a slow and steady correction in the market. This is anticipation. You should not imagine that a market will go like that. Sometimes market will turn around and enough is enough, like that it will turn around. The cycle will change. Okay, friends, thank you very much. Nalnakshi Swami, note down the levels for today and trade wisely. I wish you all happy trading day and profitable trading day.